Hello cat people, how are you today? I am Catlady Antigoni and today we are doing a body paint. Today's body paint theme is inspired by the Disney movie The Incredibles and basically I'm going to do the main female character, the mother, Mrs. Elastigirl. I'm sorry, I have watched this movie in Greek, so in my mind this person, this character is Kyria Elastina. So if you hear me saying Elastina, that's the Elastigirl, that's what I have in my Greek mind, you know, so I cannot really change it. So I will try to focus, but I don't promise. But if you're ready, let's start! Hair is up, glasses are on, and I'm ready to start. Yeah, you might have noticed that I don't have any coffee or tea because actually I drank a coffee and a tea for today and it's quite late, like it's 11 o'clock at night when I'm starting, so I expect to spend the whole night, so maybe I will drink a coffee later. So I'm gonna start as usual with the lines and I'm gonna use my pencil from NYX Professional Makeup. I hope to finish it today, oh my god, I'm so close. And I'm gonna do the basic design. First of all, I want to tell you the good news. This pencil is finally over. It was such a bad pencil and I'm so happy that it finished. Next one, spoiler alert here, is again one pencil from the series Slide On Glide On, but it's the purple. You know, I bought a lot of that, I didn't know back then. Anyway, so as you can see, the main lines are here and I'm about to start filling with colors. First of all, I'm gonna do the reds. So I'm having my palette from Aden Makeup. And I'm gonna take the red right here, which name is literally red, and I will start filling. Next, I'm gonna take some yellow from the same palette, this one right here, and I'm gonna fill the eye from the word Incredibles. Okay, now I will continue with some orange from the same palette, so I'm gonna take this one right here and I'm gonna fill these patterns. I don't know the name in English, in Greek, in any known language anyway. If you know, you can write down in the comments. Also, have you watched this movie, The Incredibles? And if yes, do you have an opinion about it? Do you like it? You do not like it? I think nowadays there is Incredibles 2. I'm not sure about that. I think I have seen the first one, but I haven't seen the second one. So if you have seen the second one, please tell me, is it a good movie? Is it worth my extra mega limited time? Last step to finish that symbol right here is to use some black. As you see, my palette is empty, so I'm gonna use from Spiegel the Schwarz, or whatever it's called in German. Sorry, I don't know German, you already know that by now, you're not here to learn German. So I'm gonna activate it with water and just fill whatever is not filled with the other colors. Now I will take my palette from James Charles and I will enhance all the colors, especially the orange and the yellow, and also I will add some lights at the eye of the Incredibles in order to make it a little bit more realistic. And at this point I have finished with Elastigirl suit and now I'm gonna add some tiny details, like I have already added the lights at the eye, but I'm not very happy, so I will enhance them with body paint. Again, Spiegel and the shade Vice, the white one that I'm always using. Also, if you saw me doing some weird stuff with this one right here, first of all, this is the Epic Ink Eyeliner from NYX Professional Makeup. And the only thing that I did with that was to give myself a little bit extra help with the lines and everything, because I find it quite difficult to go straight with the body paint. So I used this in order to have the guidelines and then I went with my body paint. And that's basically it with the body paint. Since it's a cartoonish version with no shadows and anything, I have finished and I'm going to the face. First step is to seal my eyebrows because I'm planning to create the mask, and as I saw the pictures, the mask is over her brows, so I will not color correct them because the mask gonna be black, but at least I will cover them with glue. You have seen this procedure before, but why not one more time? I'm taking this glue right here. This is Greek. So basically this is like a children-friendly glue, washable with water. That's what we want because we are approaching the eye area, so we don't want to experiment with heavier and more strong stuff. I'm gonna apply a layer and I will do, basically I will comb my eyebrow hair at the direction that they have, for example this direction here and then this direction here, and then they will be ready. The eyebrows are done and the next step is to draw the mask. Now I'm gonna take the black that I used before, I'm gonna take the brush that I used before and I'm gonna fill the mask. So I feel very lucky with today's choice because Elastigirl and not Kyrie Elastina, as I have in my mind, has brown eyes, so I don't need to wear contact lenses and it's really uncomfortable for me these days. So I'm mega happy with that. The hair is a little bit off, I need to say, but it's my fresh dyed hair, so I'm not planning to change it back to normal brown that I used to have, so to me it doesn't really matter. The mask is here, and write down in the comments what do you think about this makeup. Like, I personally love it because I have this mask, so I don't have to care about my dark circles, and believe me, my dark circles should be around here at this point because now the time is 5 and I haven't slept yet. So yeah, it's a great thing that I have a black mask. Next step was, because I've already done it, to apply my base here. This is from NYX Professional Makeup, the Marshmallow Primer, and now I'm going on with two foundations to cover the unmasked part of the face. So I'm gonna use from Lumene and from Aden, the classical combination that you have seen a million times in this channel, so I don't really have to say anything. Then I will apply some blush and that's it basically. For blush, I'm gonna use this Frat Boy from the Aden Cosmetics and I'm gonna apply it mainly here because, as I have seen, she doesn't have blush there, so only at the apples. And now it's time for the Greek word of the day. I'm sure that you have guessed this time what the word's gonna be. So of course I'm gonna go with the word incredible, and in Greek we say apithanos. Say it with me, a-pi-tha-nos. Apithanos. As always, I'm gonna ask you to try to write a comment down below using the word apithanos, or say the word apithanos in your own native language. Now I will seal my face with some powder and I'm gonna use from Kosas the Cloud Set Breezy. I think that you already know this powder. I have used it many times in these videos, but I love it. It's a very good powder, so I'm gonna go one more time. Elastigirl has nude lips, and although that I don't really like nude lips, I will go with nude lips for today. So I'm gonna use a combo, a pencil from Glam Shop, a Polish makeup store. It's amazing, great quality, whatever I have tried, I'm super happy. So this pencil is called something in Polish, and the English version of it is milk chocolate. I'm not even trying to read the Polish, no. I have friends from Poland, I don't want them to be angry with me. On the top, I'm gonna add from Sunkissed the liquid matte lipstick in the shade Velvet Blush. And that was it for today. I hope that you enjoyed the video, you enjoyed the makeup, and I brought a little bit of nostalgia in your life. If you actually liked the video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more makeups and more content in general. Also, I have an Instagram account, so you can go and follow me at Catlady Antigoni, and there you can find a lot of things. Q&As, unboxings, photos of this look. If you wanna zoom in, if you wanna pause a little bit, you can find everything there. Again, thank you so much for being here with me today. See you next time. Until then, bye bye!